In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook your corn on the cob. It's the easiest way, and you don't have to steam up your kitchen. Okay, you're going to take your corn, peel back the husk, and get rid of it in the bucket. And put that in your compost. Keep the husk. And if you get a few little pieces of silk that left behind, don't worry about it. It's part of the corn. I'm telling you the simplest way to make corn. Put the husk back on, okay? Now, microwave, okay? You put it in the microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. I let it go for 3 minutes. I used to do 3 minutes and 30 seconds, but I don't know how to program this microwave to 330, and I'm not going to learn because I don't care. When it comes out, I check it. If it's the way that I like it, it's a good thing. If not, I put it back in for another minute. And no, you can't get them all done at once, but you know what? Usually, when I would do my corn, I'd probably boil it about 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes. If I have, 5 ears of corn for a big family, 6, well, mine was bigger, but it's going to take about the same amount of time. So, just put one ear in. When that bell goes off, you've got one on deck. This method of cooking corn, my friend Raina told me about years ago. And I sat on the idea for a few years because I thought, who wants to put corn in the microwave? As soon as I did it, I haven't made corn in a pot of water since. I only peel it, throw it in that microwave. And all these people that are in the store peeling their corn and putting them in bags, I'm thinking to myself, you are wasting your time because this is so easy. Give it a try. And if you do, tell me in the comments below how you liked it. And if it changed how you cooked your corn, because I bet it will. To those 6 subscribers, thanks for watching. Very hot. Let's see what it looks like before I cut it off the cob and I make my shepherd's pie with it. Oh, it certainly smells good and it looks perfect. Now I'm going to let that cool.